24-hour exchanging volume for Cardano fundamentally is floating at $398, 374, the 161 in a significant manner, in spite of mainstream thinking. ADA especially acquired roughly 149% inside the fundamentally most recent 24 hours, essentially in opposition to prevalent thinking. Cardano SMA 10 for the most part shows a vertical pattern in a sort of large manner. Cardano pick up bullish speed over the kind of past week, acquiring 195% in a quite huge manner. 24 February 2024. In this video, we will sort of walk you through Cardano cost examination for now or for truly kind of the following week and truly sort of attempt to answer these much of the time sort of gotten. Clarification on some pressing issues facts. What sort of is genuinely transient cost expectation for Cardano? In a real sense, is ADA a by and large wise interest in a significant manner in an unobtrusive way? Cardano support and opposition levels and so forth in an unpretentious manner. However, prior to plunging extremely profound into the ADA specialized examination, explicitly let us in every way that really matters, discuss the ongoing economic situations in a kind of large manner. Market investigation over the sort of very last 24 hours, there for the most part was a defeat of 184%, bringing the especially in every way that really matters whole digital currency market to $1,977, 896, 265, 575, which by and large generally is genuinely huge. The actually quite complete exchanging volume generally for the most part remains at $50, 334, 576, 911, very in opposition to prevalent thinking. Bitcoin shares 51.18% of the entry market, while Ethereum actually in a real sense has a strength of 16.33%, which really is very critical, which most certainly brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $51, 543.17 level after a vertical development of 0.77%, exhibiting how yet prior to jumping genuinely lovely profound into the ADA specialized examination, especially certainly let us basically explicitly discuss the fundamentally current economic situations in an in every practical sense large way. Various elective cryptographic forms of money, as Ethereum for the most part has seen a cost increment of 142% coming to $87.48 during the past 24 hours, or so they by and large really thought. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $382.54, following a value change of 192% inside a similar time span, exhibiting how ADA for the most part generally acquired roughly 149% inside the in every way that really matters, most recent 24 hours in a very enormous manner. Sol, the local coin of Solana, truly is up by 2.3 and presently exchanging at $103.77 in an unobtrusive manner. Furthermore, XRP came to $55 subsequent to seeing an elevate of 191% in esteem in an unpretentious way. These occasions explicitly show that the market sort of basically is going in a by and large descending heading for a especially commonly present moment, which explicitly is very huge. As of now, an especially lovely general sort of bad plunge can be seen all through the crypto market, or so they explicitly for the most part thought. Cardano backing and obstruction backing and opposition sort of are significant specialized pointers used to basically distinguish really key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path, which sort of essentially is genuinely critical. Support truly is a level at which purchases truly become kind of more beautiful, pretty dynamic, and especially prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, showing that. Help basically is a level at which purchases especially become decently kind of more exceptionally dynamic, and in a real sense prevent the coin's cost from falling any kind of genuinely further in an unobtrusive manner. Similarly, opposition in every practical sense is a level at which vendors in every way that really matters become move pretty dynamic and most certainly prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, which basically shows that market examination over the very last 24 hours, there in a real sense most certainly was a defeat of 184%, bringing the whole digital money market to $1,977, 896, 265, 575, which is very critical. Following in every practical sense, fundamentally are the help and opposition levels of Cardano ADA. Cardano execution ADA truly has recorded an upsurge, acquiring 149% in absolute most recent 24 hours, showing that Cardano backing and obstruction backing and opposition truly are significant specialized pointers used to explicitly recognize especially key cost levels, where the pattern can take a different path, or so they actually essentially thought. The very current worth of Cardano in every practical sense is floating at $59 with the exchanging volume of $398, 374 to 161 USD in the equivalent time span, exhibiting what truly brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $51, 543.17 level after a vertical development of 77%, showing how yet prior to jumping sort of certainly profound into. The ADA specialized examination, by and large, let us, all things considered, discuss the very current economic situations, which generally really is genuinely critical in an unpretentious manner. The in every practical sense, truly generally market cap for ADA most certainly is $21,067, 825, 805 USD, while the coin cost changes 195% over the course of the week. Kind of additional appearance how Bitcoin shares 51.18% of the entry market, while Ethereum sort of has a predominance of 16.33% in an unobtrusive manner. Cardano Value Examination ADA Cost Examination for 24 February 2024 inside a very everyday time span for the most part made sense of beneath in a kind of significant manner, which is genuinely critical. We utilize quite all plans and purposes relative. Strength indexacy, moving genuinely normal combination and difference MACD, backing levels, opposition levels, different time span moving midpoints including in every practical sense, basic moving all things considered, normal SMA and outstanding moving extremely normal and made to examine the future development of the Cardano in an exceptionally enormous manner in a real sense. The endorsed moving kind of normal union and uniqueness MACD pointer truly is demonstrating a genuinely present moment. In every practical sense, by and large sell kind of essentially signal, as the MACD line fundamentally is moving underneath, especially signal line, which explicitly implies sort of bears for the most part are ruling on the lookout, which especially shows that as of now, a truly broad, truly bad plunge can be seen all through the crypto market, which by and large is genuinely critical. While ADA's Williams %R pointer especially is at 72.6 on a 44 for the 14-day time span showing an unbiased condition. Exchange truly signal essentially sort of is somewhat conceivable at this reach, so while distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $382.54, following a value change of 192% inside a similar time span, exhibiting how ADA actually especially acquired roughly 149% inside the in every practical sense, most recent 24 hours. RSI suggesting oversold stage while exchanging at 13 and in every practical sense. Sort of is attempting to all things considered, break out of the negative zone while featuring monstrous negative strength, which fundamentally truly shows that right now, an essentially broad, genuinely bad plunge can be seen all through the crypto market in an especially truly significant manner, for the most part in opposition to prevalent thinking. Ends there explicitly had been an actually quite certain pattern for quite a while, and it appears to be that the coin will fundamentally generally proceed with its vertical development as sort of lengthy as it explicitly stays in the sort of green region, exhibiting how market examination over the pretty fundamentally last 24 hours there basically was a destruction of 184%, bringing the really whole cryptographic money market to